digestive system. The various organs of human digestive system are mouth, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, salivary gland, liver, pancreas. The human alimentary canal runs from mouth to anus is about 9 meters long. The digestion of food begins in the mouth because saliva contains an enzyme, salivary amylase, which digests starch into simple sugar. The contraction and expansion movement of the walls of food pipe is called peristaltic movement, which pushes food to the stomach. Stomach secrete gastric juice which contain hydrochloric acid, the enzyme pepsin and mucus. The enzyme pepsin digests protein present in food. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria which may enter the stomach with food and make the medium acidic so that enzyme pepsin can work. Mucus protects the wall of stomach from erosion due to action of hydrochloric acid. From the stomach, partly digested food enters the small intestine. Small intestine is the largest part of alimentary canal and it is about 5 meters long. The small intestine receives secretion from two glands, liver and pancreas. Liver secretes bile which make the acidic food coming from stomach alkaline, and bile salts breaks the fat into small globules. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which contains amylase, trypsin and lipase. Amylase breaks starch to glucose, trypsin digests proteins to amino acids and amylase lipase breaks fats, fatty acids and glycerol. The inner lining of small intestine has finger-like projection called villi, which is the site of absorption of food into blood. Blood carries digested food to all part of body where it is used for obtaining energy during respiration as well as for growth and repair. The undigested food pass from small intestine to large intestine where water from the food is absorbed. The last part of large intestine is rectum where undigested food is stored for some time and then passed out from the body through anus.